Hello and good morning, students. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start with block 9, lesson number 2, that is wind formation. Students, in this lesson you will be able to explain the formation of wind. Resources needed are one balloon, one glass bottle, one small tub, one bowl, boiling hot water, ice cold water, worksheet, content book and notebook. Keywords we will use in this chapter are contraction and expansion. So students, have you heard about a hot air balloon? Yes. Do you know how it works? A hot air balloon is a huge balloon which is used to fly from one place to another. Okay? It has a source of heat to produce the hot air. Okay? The hot air balloon has a source of heat, okay, which produces the hot air, and this hot air expands and carries the balloon up in the atmosphere. Today we will see the contraction and expansion of air. So for this, you have to inflate a balloon slightly and stretch its opening over the mouth of a glass bottle. Put the glass bottle inside the tub of the boiling water. After some time, remove the bottle and put it inside a bowl filled with ice cold water. You have to write in your notebook what happened to the balloon when the balloon was put in the hot water and when it was put in the cold water. Then, in pairs, read the section formation of the winds from the exit content book to find out how expansion and contraction lead to the formation of the winds. So, students, see here. Okay, students, so you can see how you have to attach the balloon, okay, and how it is put from hot water to the cold water, and you have to note down the differences in the notebook. So, students, what happened to the balloon when we kept the bottle in the hot water? Why did this happen? What happened when we kept the bottle in the cold water? Again, why does this happen? What do we conclude from this activity? See, when we kept the glass bottle in the hot water, the balloon tied to it gets inflated. This happened because the air present inside the bottle heated up and expanded, which caused the balloon to inflate. When we kept the glass bottle in the cold water, the balloon deflated. Why does this happen? This happened because the air present inside the bottle cooled and contracted, causing the balloon to deflate. Thus, we can conclude that air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Okay? So, students, how does the expansion and contraction of air cause the formation of the wind? What are some other causes of wind formation and why? How does the wind blow very fast? What are the different characteristics of wind? When the air gets heated, it expands, become less dense as its particles spread out. As the lighter warm air rises, the heavier and more dense cool air from the surrounding moves in to replace the warm air. Because warmer air is lighter and cold air is denser or heavier, you can tell. So this movement of air causes the formation of the wind. Winds are also formed due to the differences in air pressure between the places. This is because the wind blows from the areas of high pressure to the areas of low pressure. Wind blows at the high speed where there is a great difference. in the air pressure between the two places. The two characteristics of winds are speed and direction. How are winds formed in the mountainous region? During the day in the mountain slopes gets heated more than the air in the adjacent valley. As the day progresses, what happens? The warmer air rises off from the slopes and draws the cooler air up from the valley, causing the formation of the winds. When the sun sets, the mountain slopes cool down more quickly, okay, than the nearby air in the nearby valley. This cool air sinks, which causes the wind to flow downhill. Okay, the cool air it sinks down and it causes the wind to flow down the hill.